Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss user-defined conversions in C Sharp. This is continuation to previous video, part 15, boxing and unboxing in C Sharp. Please go through previous video before going through this video. What is user-defined conversions? C Sharp is statically typed language. That means if we declare one variable with particular data type, then it will allow only that type of data only. But if you want to assign different type of data, then we need to use conversions. C# supports different types of conversions, but those predefined conversions are not suitable for our requirement. Then we need to create our customized conversion type. So we'll go for user-defined conversions. We'll define user-defined conversions using implicit or explicit and operator keyword. We'll discuss this concept using Visual Studio, launch Visual Studio and create C# application. Here I will create customized class student public class student. The student class contains one property, that is age. Declare auto implemented property public int age get set. This age property will be used to read and assign value to the variable. Now I will create object for student class student equal to new student. If you want to assign the value to the variable through property, here object student dot age equal to 20. Here age is integer type, it's storing integer type of data. Now what I can do, I'll take student object and assign student dot age. Here we are getting compile time error. What is error? Cannot implicitly convert type into student. That means here age is the integer type and student is the student object type. So we can't assign integer to student type. So here we need to convert. Here we can't use predefined conversions. We need to create user-defined conversion. Now we'll create user-defined conversion. Here public static implicit operator student int val. Here the syntax of implicit conversion is, here we need to use static keyword, letter implicit, letter operator. Here this is target type, this is source type. If you see this one, we need to convert from integer to student. Here integer is source type and student is target type. So here we need to mention target type and here source type. Return new student. Here is equal to val. Now see this one, we are not getting any error. If we comment this code, Ctrl K, Ctrl C, commented. Here now we are getting error, cannot implicitly convert type into student. So if you want to convert from int to student type, then we need to create user-defined conversion. This is the one way to create user-defined conversion. To uncomment this one, Ctrl K, Ctrl U. Print the output, console.writeline. Here, dollar implicit is student dot age. We'll execute this program, Ctrl F5. Here we are getting output as implicit age 20. We'll debug this program, put breakpoint here, here, and here, here. Go to debug, click on start debugging or F5. Later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging. We create object for student class and assign age. Click S. We are assigning the age. Now here age is equal to 20. Now this integer value we are storing into object student. So here we can't convert automatically. We need to create implicit conversion. F11. Click S. Now read the value F11 Click as. Here value is equal to 20. We are assigning val into age variable, that is available in student. Now we are returning student. So here we need to mention target type, source type, and static implicit operator keywords. F11, click S, F11, F11. Now here student contains 20, F11, print the output. Here we are getting output as implicit age is equal to 20. If you remove the static keyword, Control F5, no. Here we are getting error as user defined operator student dot implicit operator student of int must be declared static and public. If you want to create user defined conversions, we need to mention static keyword, implicit operator, target type, source type. So this is the implicit conversion. Implicit conversion means no need to convert here. But if you want to mention explicitly, here we can mention as student. We can mention like this also. We don't have an issue. But this is not recommendable for implicit conversions. Control F5. We are getting output. Remove all breakpoints. Control Shift F9. Now we will define explicit conversion. Here, create integer variable int a equal to student. Here we are getting error as cannot implicitly convert type student to integer. This is a student object. This is an integer variable. We can't assign directly student to integer. We need to convert explicitly. This is an integer. We'll try to convert int. Now here we are getting another error. Cannot convert type student to int. So now we need to convert explicitly. Remove this code. Write explicit function public static explicit operator int student s. Here we need to convert explicitly. Here we need to use explicit keyword, static keyword, operator. Now this is a source, this is the target. That means we need to convert from student to integer. We need to mention int student here. Here return s dot is. Now here we are getting one error. After creating this function, we are getting other error. If you put cursor on this one, cannot implicitly convert type student to int, an explicit conversion exists. Are you missing a cast? That means we need to convert from student to integer. So this is the explicit conversion. Now we need to mention integer here explicitly. Now no error. Print the output. Console.writeLine explicit is here a. Control F5. We're getting output as explicit is 20. We'll debug this code. Put breakpoint here, and for this function, go to debug. Click on start debugging. Here, student converting to integer explicitly. Here we mention as int F11. Click S. Here student S contains age 20. We are converting explicitly. We are returning s dot age. Click S. F11. Here a is equal to 20 and print in the output. If we are getting output as explicit age is equal to 20. To remove breakpoints, Control Shift F9. Now here we created two functions. One is implicit function, another one is explicit function. Syntax for this one, static implicit operator. Here target type, source type. This is just like function. Here explicit function, static explicit operator, and then target type, source type. Here we need to convert age to student. Then no need to mention this one. This implicit conversion, it will work. But for explicit conversion, we need to convert explicitly from student to integer. So we should provide this integer conversion. If you remove this one, we'll get compile time error. Here error is cannot implicitly convert type student to int. An explicit conversion exists. We'll mention as int. When we'll go for user-defined conversions is predefined conversions are not suitable for our requirement, then we need to define user-defined conversions based on our requirement. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.